Now, the price action may not be incredible this morning, but the articles are. We're talking about the top 3 tokens that are going to pump the highest in 2025. Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, and I actually believe that one of these smaller tokens is going to be doing better than Rexus Finance. We're going to be talking about which one in this video, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we're going to be talking about 3 tokens that are going to pump the highest in 2025. Shiba Inu coin is obviously on the list. It is going to be doing very well. Might not be as exciting as a lot of people hoped for right now, but we have got a Santa Claus rally coming up. But before we jump into it, I want to show you one thing here, and I don't believe that Rexus Finance is going to be on the top of the list. I believe that Wall Street Pepe is going to be on the top of that list, closing in on $30 million raised. Now, you got a link for it in the description below, but before we talk a little bit more about that, I got to show you guys Cryptonomy. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Cryptonomy. Now, Cryptonomy has a brand new margin trading platform, and if you missed my previous video, I'm going to go over it again in this video because it is already making money, and it is set to take advantage of volatility. And what do we expect upcoming? A lot of volatility. Guys, the bull market is going to lead to even wider swings, and Cryptonomy allows you to take 100% advantage of it. And I'm going to show you the results, and they are very, very good so far. Now, if you guys are interested in following along, or if you guys are interested in signing up, you got links down in the description below for all of this. But first, I want to show you just how much you can expect to make based on their calculator and based on your risk tolerance. Now, Cryptonomy, as you can see, is pioneering global trading, and they are doing an excellent job. Now, you can start earning, clicking that link down in the description, or calculating your profit. So we're going to make our way down there, but you got some strong fundamentals back in Cryptonomy. $4+ billion in total trading volume, $6.1 billion in insurance provided by the Cryptonomy Foundation, and over $850 million in total profit earned. I mean, I'm taking my share of it, guys. You might as well grab your share of it too. It is simple to start earning in 3 easy steps. Top up your account, set up your positions with terms that suit your needs, because your needs are going to be different than mine, and start earning instantly. It is that easy, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is with my results already. But first, check out this calculator. So to make it a little bit simpler, let's go and look at USDT so that you guys can get a better understanding of just how much money you can make. And then, of course, you're going to choose this based on your preferences. Now, to keep things consistent, let's set it up with $10,000, and you guys are going to be invested for a 1-year period. The bull market's expected to last about a year. Now, this calculator here shows that at 10x leverage on a 10,000 USDT account, you can expect a minimum profit of $14,400. Now, guys, as Bitcoin rips through $100,000, hitting new highs day after day after day, a lot of the guys that took their profit at $100,000 per Bitcoin, they're going to be tempted to get back in as Bitcoin is testing 110,000. 120,000, or even further. It's going to be the FOMO that takes over, and that is one thing that you want to avoid. In fact, you want to take advantage of that FOMO because that FOMO drives volatility, and one of the best ways that you can do so is through margin trading on Cryptonomy. So let me pull up the results, and let me explain this a little bit. When people begin to get emotional, you see these wild swings in prices. Well, Cryptonomy's fantastic financial team is out there managing these margin accounts, trading on your appropriate leverage, which you choose for yourself, and they are bringing in fantastic 20+% monthly interest rates. It is absolutely incredible. So the first thing that I want to show you, my positions. I believe it was just last week I opened up a Solana position. 50 Solana has already earned a profit of 1.5 Solana. And we know the prices haven't been as volatile as they could be. So when Solana rips up in value, imagine how much more. So it's nice to think about the minimum daily returns that you can get. And you saw that on the calculator here. The minimum daily interest is about 0.4%. That's actually incredible. But because it feeds off volatility, you could make more in a single day margin trading than you did in the entire previous 1 to 2 months. So volatility is your friend if you can take the emotion out and you have Cryptonomy on your side. Now, this is just the brand new product that Cryptonomy has. They also have their launch pool, fixed staking, and flexible accounts. Now, I want to show you fixed staking real quick because my positions here have been doing phenomenal, earning a ton of money. And dude, I just sit back, relax, and let it happen. So the most recent one that I opened up here was 10 Solana, but I'm going to go back a few and show you this one. Now, the expiration date isn't until August 11th of 2025, which means this position's been open for about 4 months now. And you can see that the accrued interest is already 14 Solana on a 30 Solana position. Guys, 50% in just a couple of months. It is absolutely incredible. And the launch pool, this is Cryptonomy's bread and butter. This is where you can earn a ton of money on new and upcoming projects with an actual current average ROI of 944%. Or a 9.44x increase on your investment. So to show you what my positions are doing right now, let's open these up. Let's go back a couple of months to about the same time frame as that the one that I just showed you there, August 16th, and you can see that the accrued interest on 30 BNB is already 27,890 USDT. These launch pool contracts are insane. They have expected profits of 1x to 5x increases. And I've got a lot of positions that are going to be coming due soon, which we're going to be talking about in some upcoming videos. We have the perfect opportunity right now. The opportunity to make as much money as possible in this upcoming bull market. What do we expect? We expect all-time highs. We expect volatility. And we expect to make money. And one of the new ways that we can do so is through margin trading on Cryptonomy. 28% average monthly profit. 23, 28, 23. You guys can go through, see what works best for you, set it up to your needs, and of course, let them know that Clay Bro sent you. All right, everybody, make sure to check out Cryptonomy. They're an excellent way to make as much money as possible during this upcoming bull market. You don't have to put your entire portfolio in it, but absolutely diversify. Make sure to check them out. And that new margin trading product takes a lot of the stress away from you and allows a professional team to make as much money as they possibly can during this volatile bull market. Now, let's talk about Shiba Inu coin. Let's talk about what's going on in this market here, because I definitely want to see Shiba Inu coin as one of the top cryptocurrencies in the entire world in this upcoming market. Now, they say that smart investors are looking for tokens with unmatched returns as the cryptocurrency industry prepares for another boom. Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, and Rexus are 3 digital assets poised for significant gains in 2025. Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin, the top meme coins, are changing market patterns with usability and community support, while Rexus Finance revolutionizes asset tokenization and democratizes investments with blockchain technology. These currencies have new features, healthy ecosystems, and rising investor interest, setting the groundwork for massive price rises that could change portfolios and success tales. Okay, well, let's take a look at it right now. If you come out to the KSEX exchange and you look at Shiba Inu coin, it has been a little difficult over the last about week and a half, 2 weeks, as we bounced off resistance at 3,300 points per coin, and we're now down here to a double level of support at about 2,600 points per coin. As you can see, we've got the horizontal level of support that was maintained during this horizontal channel, and we also have an ascending trend line that has been maintained over the last couple of months. Now, if you were in a bear market, any sort of negative action like this, you could consider a buy the dip opportunity, but of course, the dips can keep on dipping in a bear market. When you look at Bitcoin, does anything about this chart look like we are in a bear market? Absolutely not. Guys, we had a relatively stagnant 2024, but finally Bitcoin broke out in November on election news, and it is ready to break out yet again and move even higher. It's okay to look at this. We're going to zoom in. It's okay to have a red day. It's okay that that translates into a little bit of a sell-off in Shiba Inu coin, because people are now going to view $100,000 on Bitcoin as cheap. That's a 7% discount. 99,000, that's going to be a 10% discount on Bitcoin. And if major institutions can go in with hundreds of millions of dollars and make 10%, guys, they walked away with $10 million. Now, I get it that you and I might not be able to go in and buy $100 million worth of Shiba Inu coin. But if we truly believe that this meme coin super cycle, this cryptocurrency bull market that is gearing up to be led by meme coins, if we truly believe that it's going to lead to $1 trillion meme coin valuation, we have to be willing to invest. Because if you move from $100 billion valuation to $1 trillion valuation, that means roughly $1 trillion in wealth is going to be created. Are we going to let the whales and institutions generate all of that because they were willing to take a risk? I mean, we can't stop them, but we can absolutely join them. And that is exactly what I choose to do. I choose to join them. I choose to make my share of the $1 trillion super cycle. I choose to make as much money as possible in this upcoming bull market. And therefore, I only have one decision to make. How much am I going to invest? I want to know how much you guys are going to invest down in the comments below. Don't give me numbers. Just tell me. Tell me you're in the game. Tell me you're out of the game. Tell me whatever you're doing. I don't need to know your personal stories. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.